Okay, next is about Venn diagram. Venn diagram can be used to illustrate the relationship between the sample space in an event. Okay, so dalam sample space dalam kajian yang kita buat tu, kita boleh represent event of sample space using Venn diagram. Okay, dia lebih pada rajah-rajah yang kita lukiskan untuk menunjukkan hubungan di antara satu event dengan event yang lain di dalam sampel space kajian kita. Okay, Venn diagram can be used to indicate special relationship among events. Okay, so from the event diagram ni, kita boleh tengok hubungan di antara satu event dengan event yang lain yang terdapat di dalam sample space. So, a few symbols will be used in the Venn diagram to facilitate the understanding of the relationship among events. Symbol union. Okay, this is symbol for union. Union means that two events correspond to each other. So, meaning that event tersebut adalah gabungan. Okay, hasil gabungan event di dalam set A dan juga di dalam set B. So, ini macam seolah-olah kita tambahkan event-event gabungkan event-event dalam set A dan juga set B. Okay, untuk intersection, ni simbol untuk intersection. Simbol untuk intersection meaning that event occur simultaneously. Sebenarnya event-event yang berada di dalam A dan juga pada masa yang sama berada di dalam B. So, ini kita gunakan simbol intersection. Okay, maknanya kedua-dua event berlaku pada masa yang sama. Okay, the symbol, ini simbol macam C ni, represent the words contain and A belong to B. Correspond to A is contained in B. Maksudnya A berada di dalam set A ni, event-event dalam A ni berada di dalam set yang lebih besar iaitu set B. Itu maksudnya. Okay, so daripada bentuk ayat kita tukarkan atau kita transform into a Venn diagram. So this is a representation of a Venn diagram. Contohnya bulatan yang besar ni sebagai satu diagram disebutkan sebagai samples sebagai event A. Katalah event A. So whatever event kita yang define based on our study. Contohnya event A, semua pelajar Introduction to Math 2, Fundamental of Math 2 yang memperolehi markah 90 dan ke atas. Itu salah satu contoh event A yang kita boleh define. Okay. So yang di luar ni adalah complement of event A. Complement of event A makna semua event-event lain selain daripada A yang terdapat di dalam sample space. Ni maksudnya complement. Complement tu maknanya yang melengkapi event A. Apa event selain daripada event A yang berada di dalam sample space tetapi selain daripada A. Contoh kalau tadi semua pelajar yang punya markah 90 dan ke atas. Sekarang ni kalau complement ni loretkan di luar ni bermaksud semua pelajar yang tidak mendapat markah melebihi 90. Itu maksudnya. Okay, yang mana yang selain daripada event A. Okay, union of event A and B. Dan ini union ni bentuk kita daripada simbol A union B represent dalam bentuk Venn diagram seperti begini. A and B combine, so kita shadekan. Okay, kita shadekan event A dan juga event B. Okay, untuk intersection. Okay, intersection maknanya event in A and event in B. Event occur in A and at the same time event occur in B. So, yang shaded orange ni adalah A intersection B. Okay, A intersect B. Jadi, hasil dia adalah kawasan yang diloretkan dengan orange ni. Okay, for event A contained in B is given by shaded area, meaning that A is contained in B. B must be a bigger space than A. So, maknanya dalam B ni ada juga event-event yang lain dan juga termasuk event A. A and B are mutually exclusive event. Kalau mutually exclusive maknanya A dia belong to masing-masing. A dan B tu tidak intersect. Okay, maksudnya mutually exclusive. Maknanya apa yang terjadi di dalam A tidak terjadi dalam B, itu maksudnya. Sama juga apa jadi dalam B tidak jadi dalam A. So tidak ada unsur-unsur yang bertindan. Okay, example, a school has 63 students studying physics, chemistry and biology. 33 study physics, 25 chemistry and 26 biology. 10 study physics and chemistry, 9 study biology and chemistry, while 8 study both physics and biology. Equal number study all 3 subjects as those who learn none of the 3. How many study all 3 subjects? So daripada sini, daripada maklumat statement yang diberi ni, kita boleh tulis dalam lukiskan ataupun paparkan dalam bentuk Venn diagram, bentuk yang macam ni. Kita ada 3 set iaitu fizik, chemistry and biology. Okay, kemudian 33 study fizik. So dalam fizik ni mesti ada 33 number of students. Okay, 25 study chemistry and 26 study biology. Okay, so now 10 study physics and chemistry. So 10, 7 and 3 ni 10, ambil dua-dua, physics dan juga chemistry. Okay, and 9 study biology and chemistry. 9 biology and chemistry. So yang ni 6 dengan 3, 9. Okay, 8 both study physics and biology. Physics biology is 5 times 3, 8 ni. Okay, equal number study all 3 subject as those who learn none of the 3. Okay, so 3 akan study semua subjek ni. So how many study all 3 subjects? Okay, so how many study all 3 subjects? Okay, so how many study all 3 subjects yang mana? So it's supposed to be how many study all 3 subjects? Maknanya answer is 3. Okay, sebab dia ada dalam ketiga-tiga subjek tersebut. Okay. Okay, now try to answer this using Venn diagram. Okay, try to answer this. In a class, there are 8 students who play football and hockey, 7 students who do not play football or hockey, 13 students who play hockey and 19 students who play football. How many students are there in the class? Okay, kita guna contoh yang earlier Venn diagram tu. Try work out how to get answer for this. Okay, for number 2, in a family of 6, everybody plays football or hockey. 4 members of the family play both sports and 1 member of the family plays only hockey. How many play only football? Okay, so again, sama macam soalan 1, try to figure out how many play only football from the given information here. Okay, example 5. The diagrams represent a class of children. G is the set of girls and F is the set of children who like football. Now decide which diagram has the shading which represents. Okay, A, girls who like football. Okay, girls who like football should be, this is girls, so it must be inside the F. So it will be this one. Diagram B is the girls who like football. Okay, girls who dislike football, so this girl should be outside. Okay, outside, girls who dislike football. Okay, meaning that should be this area. So this one, girls who dislike football. Okay, must be outside the football circle. Now, boys who like football. Okay, boys who like football would be outside the girls area and inside the football area. Should be diagram A. And now, boys who dislike football. Boys is outside the girl area, is boys outside, and also dislike football also outside the F area. So it will be this diagram. Okay, probability tree diagram is simply a way of representing a sequence of event. So kalau kita ada number of events in sequence, kita boleh represent it using tree diagram, probability tree diagram. Okay, tree diagrams are particularly useful in probability since they record all possible outcomes in a clear and uncomplicated manner. So this is very useful. Sometimes we want to trace the sequence of event from one session to another session, or one slot of time to another slot of time. So this is quite useful for tracking events. Okay, now example of tree diagram for the experiment of tossing a coin twice. So we toss coin 2 times. Now we want to use a tree diagram to represent the sequence of events. Okay, for the first toss, we either get either head or tail. So there will be 2 options or 2 events. Okay, first toss is going to be head or tail. Okay, second toss of coins is also if the first is head, second toss also could be head, also tail. Okay, for first toss is tail, second toss also could be head or tail. So this is the second toss. So the possible outcome you can list at last is either H and H, head and head, head and tail, tail and head, and also tail and tail. So the possible outcome or the possible all events to occur will be 4. Okay, next example 2. Find the sample space for the gender of 3 children in a family, either boy or girl. Okay, for first child it could be, so the possibility could be boy or girl. Okay, second child also, for every possible event or outcome in the first children, also could be the same to occur for the second children. Okay, for first child boy, second also could be boy or girl. If the first child girl, second also could be boy or girl. So for the third child also the same for the possibilities for every possible of the second child. So always akan ada 2 cabang macam ni. Okay, alright. So last possible all outcome if for the 3 children will be sequence macam ni. B, 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 G, kemudian B, G, B, B, G, G, kemudian G, B, B, G, B, G, and then last G, G, B, and G, G, G. So that's easy for us to list all the possible outcome using 3 Okay, now try using this